Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorials. This is Kyra and today is the 4th day of our Petals and Parchment spring event, an event where all week long we are going to be having video tutorials and giving away freebies, and we're also having sales in our Etsy shop. Today's sale is going to be the 40% off on select 3D inserts, folios, and papers, so make sure to go over to our Etsy shop and take advantage of that deal, as well as remember to leave a comment down below in today's video for your chance to win a coupon to our shop, or potentially even the grand prize, which is going to be this junk journal that I am making this week. So for today's video, we're actually going to be creating this 3D insert with these pretty little flowers, and I went ahead and printed all of these on paper, and again, you can get the link to this freebie down in the description box below, so make sure to go do that. And all of these little flowers actually have these small gray dots at the top of them, and it's really important to make sure that you keep those aligned, because if you turn these flowers around, they won't align properly. So make sure that you keep that little gray dot at the top of the flower. And we're also going to use that as the guide for the center of our image, and we're going to use it to help us fold these in half nice and even. And then taking some glue here, I am going around the sides and the bottom here of the folded flower, but you don't want to put any glue in the middle. You want to keep it only to the sides here. So you can see I tried to kind of keep them as close to the edges as I could get and didn't put them on these like two center ridges. And we need to leave this portion open for some little cards we're going to add later. But once you've gone ahead and added that glue, you can just take another one of those flowers and glue them back to back like this, just kind of sandwiching these folded edges. And then you're going to go ahead and just repeat that process over and over again, gluing these flowers back to back using that little gray dot at the top as kind of your indicator for which way they should orient. And then just continue that process until you have all of them glued together just like this. All right, so you can see all our little flowers are kind of flipping through here, and then the back should be white. We don't want to glue those two edges together. You want to leave them flat like this. And then when they sandwich together, they're, you know, about 1/4 inch thick. And if you want to, you can go over the edges with a little bit of distress ink. I went ahead and used this color Ground Espresso. It's a little less warm tone and a little more cool tone. And then this freebie also includes these cute little heart cards. Go ahead and print these on cardstock. We want them to be a little bit firmer. And I went ahead and printed a pretty paper on the back from the Petals and Parchment collection, which is available in our shop right now. And that just makes them look a little bit more decorative here. And these are just going to slot right into those openings that we left when gluing these petals, like these flowers, together, just like this. And there's a little bit sticking out of the top, so you should still be able to, you know, grab them and pull them out and just use them to write, you know, little cute messages or notes, add a little bit more writing space to your journal in kind of a creative way. And to add these to our journal here, I did go ahead and make a tutorial on Monday's video where I showed you how to create this journal from start to finish. So if you need a journal to add this little 3D insert into, make sure to go check out that video, as well as all the other videos we've released this week. Every one of them have cute little freebies that you can get down in the description box of those videos. But for this insert, we're just going to go ahead and add some glue to the back panel here, just like this, and go ahead and find 2 pages that you like, and this is going to slot right into the crease between those 2 pages, and then again adding glue to the other side and just gluing that down flat right in between these 2 pages. Now while you're doing this, again, make sure to double check that you have it right side up. I accidentally glued mine in upside down, so I had to fix that real quick. So before you glue it in, make sure that you check where those little dots are and that you have this right side up when you're gluing it in. All right, but otherwise, this is what that looks like when it's all done. It's a pretty cute and easy way to add a little bit of motion and pop to your journal. It doesn't take very long, but it really makes a big impact, I think. I had a lot of fun adding this to my journal and kind of decorating around it. And if you like these 3D inserts, again, we are having a sale for 40% off on 3D inserts, folios, and papers in our shop. So if you want to get some more of these, you can hop on over to My Porch Prints on Etsy and stock up on all of those goodies. And a reminder that tomorrow is going to be another deal in our shop, which is going to be 40% off on select journal kits and collections. So if you are wanting to make some more journals, that is the day to get some of those kits in our shop. And we're also going to be having another tutorial and another freebie, which is going to be a faded photo freebie. I'm really excited to show you guys that one. So definitely make sure to head down into the link down below, get this freebie, and check out our shop, and come back tomorrow for tomorrow's video as well. Otherwise, I hope that you guys had fun crafting along with me today. Thank you so much for joining us for our Petals and Parchment Spring event. Don't forget to leave those comments down below, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future events and tutorials, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!